Hello, today I'm going to show you my custom 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver prototype. Now this is a follow-on from my previous video because there was a comment under it by Vote Saxon07 saying that he didn't understand, which is perfectly fine. I don't understand myself. But, yep, so this is it in pieces. So, starting off with this. Now, that, as you can see, is hollow. And, so are these. They just filled in with carbog, and then has a, just had a hole drilled through it. So the idea is that you can simply just slot it on, a bit tight, but just slot it on, and then I am missing one piece, the piece that goes between this white section and this black handle section, but the idea, oh yes, I'm also missing a piece in there, so that goes on there, and this one goes on in the middle, that one goes on top, a bit loose, and then these pieces get glued onto there. And then there's this bit, now, that has a magnet on the end, and this one does too, this one does. And so, there's also another comment under, I posted a comment, because I didn't know, I couldn't find a strong enough magnet, and so I've found these on eBay, cost me $8 with postage, and they snap together pretty strong. So they should be strong enough. And that's about it. But as you can see, I'm missing a couple of pieces. Oh, this bit also goes on there, but I'll show you that in my next video. So that bit goes on there. But I've actually been through 5 sonic screwdrivers for this. Now I'll just show you all the boxes. It's really quite ridiculous. I'll just grab them. Now, it's 1, 2, 3, it's 4, and that's 5. Now, as you can see, they've actually changed the size of the box. I don't know if anyone else has noticed that, but in this blue one and these two, it's actually been extended fully to its fullest point, and in these two middle ones, they haven't. So, I don't know if that's a different country or if it's just different manufacturer. Now, this idea actually came from a picture. I have one right here. Might be too close. But this is off that. I posted a link in my description on my other video of the website. This is a picture from the website. So as you can see, this piece is basically that. What that's supposed to be. And then that attaches all the other pieces. And this piece here is that piece in the middle there. And pieces, that silver bit. So that was the whole idea behind it. And yeah. But as I say, I'm only 14. I live in Australia, and I just went absolutely nuts and sort of destroyed all my Sonics and created this, which I don't think it's actually bad, but these pieces I just need to spray paint them white and obviously black, but yeah, and then just put it all together. And also I'm planning on making a metal one out of copper. I've actually got a piece of copper, I'll grab it. Now that is a purely copper rod. That cost $110. So I can imagine I won't be making any mistakes with this. So I'll be turning that up on the lathe, and I'll keep you updated and make a video throughout all that as well. Also, once I get it all together, I'm just going to keep it like it is for a while, just play around with it, but I'm also planning on actually, when I've finished it, the construction side, I'm going to start with the electronics. And so I've drilled a hole there. It's kind of in the wrong spot, but I'll fix it up. And I'm going to put another small bit of this in there, and put a AAA battery in it. And then once I've done that, I will put an LED in there and connect it all up, and it'll have light and maybe sound, but I'm not sure about sound. And so that's it. That's my video. Once again, if you have any questions, just post them in the comments below. Alright, thanks for watching.